Meet Taliup's Link to Pay, the fastest and simplest way to collect payments. When creating an invoice, you can include a link to pay, allowing customers to complete their payment online with just a click. And when you need to get paid without creating a full invoice, Link to Pay lets you generate a secure payment link directly from the Taliup POS. Simply set the amount, associate a client, and you're ready to collect in seconds. Share the link by email or text message, and your customer can pay online from anywhere, on any device. Customers open the link, review the details, and complete payment through a secure checkout. No apps to download, no logins required, and no friction. Every link to pay is tracked in one place on Taliup HQ. Instantly see what's pending, paid, or overdue, review the activity timeline, resend links, or issue refunds when needed. Link to Pay helps you get paid faster, reduce follow-ups, and keep your cash flow moving, without chasing customers or waiting on checks. Taliup's Link to Pay makes getting paid simple, professional, and instant, wherever your business happens.